you'll need some photos of the UAV as front, back, and close-up of the serial number. Some serial numbers of the UAV you're registering, the specification sheet, which you can get it from manufacturer or online, and some miscellaneous items. In this video, from now onwards, we'll go through a step-by-step method for generation of UIN in eGCA. Start by clicking on Services tab, then Drone Services, D2 Services, and here you'll see multiple options. Select Application for Unique Identification Number and will be directed towards the process. Now, we'll be registering a non-type certified UAV, hence we'll select No over here. As we scroll down, we'll need to enter the manufacturer's name. As we are using DJI Mavic Air 2S, we'll be entering those details. You'll find some difficulties in the model name, just try various iterations and you'll get it right somehow. Then fill in the year of manufacturer. In our case, it's 2023. Next is the category of UAS, which we'll be selecting rotorcraft as we are flying a quad. Subcategory is remotely piloted aircraft system RPS. Class of UAS, we select micro. Now why did we select that? As we can Google and see, the weight of Air 2S is 595 grams, which is about 250 grams and below 2 kgs. It will come under micro. Now, in your case, it can be different. The class of US can be categorized as nano, micro, small, medium, and large. Whereas in nano, the weight is less than 250 grams. In micro, the weight ranges between 250 grams to 2 kgs. In small, it comes between 2 to 25 kgs. In medium category, it is within 25 kgs and 150 kgs. And lastly, the large, which can weigh more than 150 kilograms. As we are registering an exempted drone, we won't be needing a serial number of type certificate. So we can skip this. Enter the serial number of UAV, which in our case can be found inside the battery slot of the drone. Serial number of flight control module, which can be found in drone info tab. And lastly, serial number of remote pilot station. This is your RC. It can be found in same place as FCM and on the RC as well. Next, we upload the required documents. As suggested in the beginning of the video, make sure you are prepared with the photos. You'll need 3 photos. One with the front view, one with back view, and a photo of close-up of the serial number. Once you have all those, convert them to PDF or you can keep them as JPGs, but the size should be less than 30 MBs. Here we upload the front, the back, and the serial number. The drone acknowledgement number details are optional. The last date of DAN conversion was 2021. Maybe they have resumed. So if you have a UAV with DAN and want to get an UIN, fill it up and click next. Up next we have additional details. For this we will need the specification sheets. As we are registering Mavic Air 2S in this video, we'll find the specification sheets online. A quick note, please fill these details carefully and you'll observe we have entered many incorrect values. Although I have rectified them later before submitting, as you can only change the details in D2 form and not the additional details. As we are ready with the spec sheets, we'll start entering the details. Number of motors, power ratings in watts, battery capacity, details of payload, and any other details should be typed in letters and numbers, as symbols are not allowed, so no decimal points or commas. So details of payload and other written details should be typed in considering the format. Altitude to be entered in feet, maximum all up weight is maximum carrying capacity of the drone at full load. These are some safety features which you can select as applicable according to your UAV. So we do have everything except for the NPNT feature, so we'll select accordingly. Is it a prototype? It is not, so we can type NA or no. On to the next. You won't be getting any transponders in this drone. That can be different video overall. Regarding barometric equipment, do we have it? The answer is yes. That's how we detect altitude changes. Ground control station software and frequency band, of course no symbols over here. operational envelope, people do fly anytime, anywhere, endangering others and themselves unless they are trained to do so. But we'll be selecting VLOS day as we strictly don't fly at night. Max RPM can be found in spec sheet. GSM, SIM card, RFID, we don't have all this. SIM card slot, no. We have a memory card slots though, which is never enough. And our drone is still active and still in use. Now that everything is filled up, we have not completed our transaction yet. Check the declaration, fill up the necessary details, and you can save it as a draft. Beyond this point, once you hit submit, everything is sealed. Make the changes needed, you can preview the changes and click on submit. It will direct you to the transaction process. Once you have done it, you can check in D2 services. You'll have your UIN and its status as active.